Let's prepare alkaline vegan pancakes. For our topping, let's turn on our stove. Add in 2 ounces of water, 2 ounces of blueberries. Sweetener is optional, but I'm using agave sweetener. Going in with 1 tablespoon. We're not using any thickener, that is why I use agave because it does the trick. We will time it for 2.5 minutes on low heat. And as we can see, it's already developing its thickness. It is now finished. If you need to add a little more water, feel free to do so, just a little. You also don't want to leave it on the stovetop or in the pan to prevent dryness. Let's take a closer look. Beautiful. So as you can see, I'm using Vita white spelt flour, so feel free to share the type of flour you are using so I can ensure the recipe stays consistent. Adding in 4 ounces of coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of agave sweetener, and 2 teaspoons of avocado oil. Let's mix together our liquid ingredients. Next, add in 0 to 220 pounds of white sifted spelt flour. Mix until everything is combined. Feel free to use a mixer if you prefer. And as we can see, it is nice and smooth. I'm now adding in blueberries. We will put 4 to 5 berries per pancake. On medium heat, add a 1/4 teaspoon of avocado oil. Try to keep it in the center. Next, add in 2 ounces of batter with 4 to 5 blueberries. As soon as the edges look duller and dark brown, we will get ready to flip. It's ready to flip. Let's ensure all the sides comes up first and then we will flip. All the oil on the other pan, if you like, simply drain that oil towards the pancake to ensure no sticking. I like to use a toothpick to check to see if it's done. It may not come out super clean, but due to not using any raising agent, this is considered done. And it is totally fine if the blueberries burst a little. I will show you how to do another one, but if you're using a pan like me, you want to clean your pan to prevent sticking after every pancake. Remember, a 1/4 teaspoon of oil per pancake. Spread it around just a little. For the second pancake, I added the batter first and then the blueberries after, which helped not to take away from the recipe, as the blueberries were taking up space. And as we can see, it is done, so we will now get ready to flip, ensuring to start off by making sure all ends comes up first. At the same time, drain leftover oil to the middle, and then flip. Remember to use a toothpick to check, and it doesn't have to come out clean due to not using any raising agents. And it is ready. Let's plate. The blueberry topping we made earlier, I'm adding some to the top, along with agave syrup, which is totally optional. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel, like and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video.